Baby bees caught a cold, but the kelp wraps won't sell themselves at the reef market.
Chew! Oh, no, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Wait, did that actually land perfectly in your fins?
Baby bees' sneezes have become the reef's first delivery system, launching orders with missile-like precision.
Okay, one order to the third cave on the left. Just gotta aim carefully. Chew! Ah, chew! Perfect delivery to table 12. Come on, come on. Just one more sneeze. I've got orders to. Wait, no, I don't. I delivered everything. Maybe if I sniff this pepper kelp harder?